Okay, so now that we've looked at our seating options, let's uncheck seating options. It's back to 64,300, and now we can look at our available retention systems. Our retention systems are designated by either Striker or Furno, so you can select Striker, and it'll list the Striker available retention systems that we have. Again, whatever you select, if you select one, it will increase the price by $950. If you select another one, it will increase you by $6,500. And you can select any of the different ones that you need for your particular customer. Now, if you need to have Furno ones instead, Furno options will populate. Again, by adding in an $850 upcharge, your price will go up, or you can select any number of units that will correspond to what you're trying to achieve with your client. Okay, so retention systems, again, you can select it alongside the seating and it'll give you both, or you can just select any particular one that you need. While we're here, we'll also look at stretchers and stair chairs. So your stretchers and stair chairs work the same way, whether they're Striker or Furno. Here's your available Striker stretchers and stair chairs. Here's your available Furno Furno stretchers and stair chairs. And again, anything that you select will add up to your new total at the bottom based on the ones that you're selecting. So very similar to what you're familiar with in the old system, just a little bit more intuitive, allowing you to only select one or the other, and then utilizing the option screen so you don't have to scroll through a bunch of unnecessary equipment that you may not need.